आता पळोवया गोंयच्यो वेगवेगळे कडच्यो कांय राजकीय घडामोडी.
पयशे घेना काय कित्याक तुमकां मागीर रायट आसपाना मोको दिसतालो ओ कितें काम करून घेवपाक तुमकां रायट आसपाना कित्याक हांव म्हणटालो हांवें तुमकां पयशे दिले म्हणून आनी तेची कोता. सो प्लीज पयशे लागून म्हाका एक पयशे मेळपाना तें जाल्यार आतां म्हाका नाय पयशे.
आज गोंयच्या आमच्या जनतेची लूट चलिल्ली आसा. आज स्विस बँकेन आमच्या गोंयच्या मंत्र्यांची आणि आमदाराची खाती जर पळयले जर जायत जवळजवळ 50,000 कोटीचे ही मालमत्ता आसा. सगळे पेपरांनी आयिल्ले आसा. बाबा ही मालमत्ता जर स्विस बँकेतल्यान गोंयान परत हाडले जर जायत हांगा बशिल्लो प्रत्येक जो नागरीक आसा त्या नागरिकाक 10-10 लाख रुपया मेळटात.
हांवें कांय मॅनिफेस्टो करूना कित्याक म्हाका तुमचे मदें रावन कामां करपाक जाय. हांवें चिंतलां जेन्ना तुमी आशिर्वाद दिवन म्हाका फुडें व्हरतली हांव तुमचे कडेन परतून येवन वाठाराची कामां जावन बुजून जी वाठाराक कामाक जाय तीच हांव करतलो. हें ताका लागून हो मॅनिफेस्टो ना.
I have become the lone person in the entire state of Goa to be arrested for the violation of mode of conduct without citing any rule when there are heavy charges against so many heavyweights. Nobody has been arrested till this day. Heavy charges of corruption is talking. Everybody is talking about heavy money is being flown. Everybody knows about it.
The response is overwhelming. People want a change. लोकांक परिवर्तन जाय अशें दिसता. काँग्रेसीक परिवर्तन नाका आशिल्लें पण लोकांक परिवर्तन जाय. And I am confident that as a people's candidate, I will get more votes than as a Congress candidate.
दुसरें मेन म्हणजे खाजन लँड आसा पळय ती खाजन लँड फुडें आतां वचपाय आमकां हेजे पावल्या ती फाल्यां समज ती खाजन अशीच उरत तें फुडें गव्हर्मेंट टेक ओवर करून ती खाजन बिल्डरांक विकूंक शकता. माफिया आसा पळय तांकां दिवंक शकता. हें म्हण ताका लागून म्हाका चडांत चड फास्ट हें ती ग्रोईंग आमचे कल्टिवेट करपाक घेवपाक जाय म्हाका. नाजाल्यार फाल्यां ती रोयना म्हणटाले आनी ती टेक ओवर करतले.
क्रिकेट आता 3 प्रकारांत खेळटात. मुखेल प्रकार म्हणल्यार टेस्ट, उपरांत वन डे आनी 2020. पयली भशेन एकूच कॅप्टन तिनूय टिमी खातीर आसचे परस तिनूय पंगडांक स्वतंत्र कॅप्टन आसपाक जाय अशें मत भारताचो आदलो कॅप्टन मोहम्मद अझरुद्दीन म्हणटा. हालींच इंग्लंड आनी ऑस्ट्रेलियान जाल्ल्या टेस्ट सर्तींनी आतांच्या कॅप्टन धोनीन चुको केल्ल्यान भारताचो वायट वॉश जालो. धोनीच्या जाग्यार टेस्ट क्रिकेटीन नवो कॅप्टन जाय अशें अझराक दिसता.
What do you have to say about the current Indian performance, the recent run of form?
Well, I think it's been their form has been very, very poor. I think they need to play players who are performing. I think they need to get the non-performing players out and then maybe give chance to younger players, so that they can get also experience. But I think it's just one of those things where we have not done well in the test matches, struggling to get into the finals also. But I think there is no quick remedy on this. Because you just need to have some patience and try and play some new players, which would give them some chance of doing well.
You're a captain who found it at one point of time the team was to not do very well abroad in the abroad conditions. Then slowly Ganguly started winning a few test matches. Dhoni started winning series after that. But suddenly everything seems to have gone in the reverse role. India not only losing series but even getting whitewashed. What do you think is the main reason? Dhoni's captaincy rift in the team. Too much of advertisements of or IPL is the reason.
No, I think just that the players have to perform. Players have to concentrate and take each game as it comes. Because I think it is very difficult to blame one player. But I think as far as Dhoni's captaincy is concerned, he's faltered in the last 8 test matches he's played. So I honestly feel that there should be a captain for each format, a different captain for each format, so that it doesn't put too much pressure on the captain. Because the captain. If a captain is there for all the 3 formats, you have to think differently. So I think we need a change here. So it's not me who will change the thing, but I think it's the selectors and it's the board to decide.
Do you feel now the other sports like football and hockey, with a great result in hockey, do you think the fans and the spectators in India are now going to shift their focus from cricket?
But I think I'm very happy for the other sports also, football and hockey, and I'm very happy for the hockey team, who's made it to the Olympics. It's almost after 8 years. It has been a very popular game before cricket, but I think cricket has taken over, and I will be very happy if people will support the other games also. But I think cricket will still stay at the top.
On a personal note, Azhar, 99 matches. How much of a test matches? How much of a ill feeling is it in your heart today? Like, do you feel that 100 test matches, that number kept away from you?
No, I think I don't have any ill feeling. You know, that was my destiny. I was only destined to play 99 test matches, so I played. So I don't think anybody would break my 99 test matches record. Because anybody who would play 99 test matches, I'm sure will play another one test match also. Even if he's not doing well, but they will still make him play. But anyways, I don't have no regrets. I really enjoyed playing for the country. I've given my best at all times. And I've really enjoyed playing for the country. I think the board has given me so much. I've got no complaints.
Well, this being a boyhood dream of mine, seeing you talking at the man of the match ceremonies and at the captain's toss as well, a great pleasure to meet you. Wish you all the best in your election career as well. Thank you.
My pleasure too. My pleasure.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचें हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.